So in this video, I want to go over some things that really you shouldn't do with a website. It's really only going to hurt you now and in the future. And then give you some examples of what it should look like instead. So this is a website of somebody that we reached out to who doesn't feel that they need any help or assistance with their site. And I would beg to differ because it's pretty atrocious. So when you look at this, they clearly, this was a do-it-yourself site. There's zero SSL encryption. It's put together in a very amateurish way. And even though this person has some knowledge to share, it looks incredibly amateurish. There's absolutely no terms of service. There's no privacy policy. There's none of the elements that you actually need within a good website. So I'm going to give you some examples of what it should look like instead. This is a really good example of one thing that you could do with the site. It's a lot more professional looking. It gives people a lot more information, and it's proven when you have a better looking site to get higher conversion rates. So here's another example. Kind of the same thing, just a little bit of a different color scheme to, entice people to actually purchase what it is you have to offer, but also making sure that you have the main elements that you need for a website, like the terms of website use, refund policy, privacy policies, and disclaimers. These are absolutely must-haves, especially when you're wanting to index on Google or even take out ads on Facebook. Now, if you wanted to do more of an online store, which would appear like what this person is trying to do, this is a better example of that. And as you can see, the graphics are better. It, gives people a little bit more sense of what you're about, how to get in contact with you. Just really a lot more professional looking site, which, people really don't want to purchase from amateurish looking sites. They want something that looks professional and something that's put together. So here's yet another example. Just, nice and simple, but putting some videos up there, and then here's yet another one. So, this one would help people get on the email list for these products and to purchase later on. And just some examples of things that we can do and put together for you to really help increase your conversions and your traffic. Because, while there is a point of pride in a do-it-yourself site, sometimes that pride is a little bit misfounded because it just doesn't look professional and you're not taking the right steps to have the correct elements in place to really entice people to purchase, come back, purchase again, and build your email list at the same time. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And, if you want us to do an audit of your website, we're more than happy to do that too. Thanks. Have a great day.